fix tab key not working in Windows? In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Restart your PC. If your tab key is not functioning, restarting your computer is typically the easiest and initial troubleshooting step to take. This can frequently address small software malfunctions that could be causing the problem. Prior to restarting, ensure that you save any ongoing work or projects to avoid losing your progress. If that didn't work. Solution 2. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Solution 3. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. Running the keyboard troubleshooter can be a helpful tool in resolving issues with keyboard malfunctions, such as tab key problems. The troubleshooter is intended to automatically diagnose and resolve various keyboard-related issues. If that didn't work. Solution 5. Update the keyboard driver. If that didn't work.